Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our online classes. At present, I am in 8th standard social study class. Especially, we already started the geography third lesson, that is atmosphere. In the previous class, we already understand about important gas system of the atmosphere and important layers of the atmosphere. So now it is the time to understand atmospheric basic elements. So atmosphere basically we have to divide into two groups. One is climatic condition, one more is weather condition. So what are the major elements of weather? In the previous class we already understand the definition of weather condition. So that is not necessary to again we have to repeat that. So here directly we have to understand which are the major elements of the weather condition. Here I wrote 6 points. Those 6 points are the basic elements of the weather condition. Here the first one is temperature, the second one is pressure, third one is wind, fourth one is humidity, the fifth one is the clouds, the last one is the rainfall. These are the basic elements of the weather climatic condition. So when we have to understand a particular area's weather climatic condition, at that time these things are very helpful to us. So in this manner we have to understand about the temperature. The very first thing is temperature. Here the sun is the main source of energy. We already know that in the solar system, sun is the major source or main source of the energy. That's why to the earth which supplies heat through the isolation. Here in the solar system, who is the head of the sun? Who is the head of the solar system? The sun is the head of the solar system. He was the main source of the energy, entire of the 8 planets. So in this manner we have to understand who supplies to its energy to 8 planets. The sun supply. How to supply? Through the heat and isolation. Through the heat and isolation. That's why the means of insulation or isolation is incoming solar radiation from the sun to the earth. Once again I repeat that. Here now one more word, that is insolation. Everyone should write this definition. Take this definition here. What is the meaning of insolation? Insolation means what? Here insolation means incoming solar radiation. Radiation means rays. Insolation means incoming solar radiation from the sun to the earth. That is considered as insolation. So here thermometer is recorded by an instrument called thermometer. Just you have to understand temperature. Temperature is recorded by an instrument called thermometer. Thermometer. Here, thermometer is an instrument. It helps to record the temperature with the help of insolation. Is it clear? The next point is that is how do we have to understand this temperature? We have to understand this temperature with two words. The one is centigrade and one more is Fahrenheit. First one is centigrade and one more is Fahrenheit, are the two important thermometers used to measure atmospheric temperature. So here the important factors that influence atmospheric temperature. Which are those? The first one is latitude. Everyone should take down. Which are the major factors influenced on temperature? There are so many of them. The first one is latitude. The second one is altitude. Altitude means height. The next one is distance from the sea. And the next one is wind, ocean current. height. The next one is distance from the sea. The next one is wind, ocean currents, relief features, clouds, and rainfall. These are the major factors influencing on temperature. The next point is there normal lapse rate. What is the meaning of normal lapse rate? It is the decreasing rate of temperature. Decreasing means very low, increasing means high. It is developing. So here normal lapse rate of temperature is with increased latitude. The rate of decrease is 1 degree Celsius. 1 degree Celsius for every 165 meters. 165 meters. Once again I repeat that. Here we have to understand about normal lapse rate. Normal lapse rate means lapse means less. What is the meaning of lapse? Lapse means less. When the temperature is less and how to less? Here temperature is less. 1 degree Celsius temperature is less. And when the sun is orbit all the planets 165 meters. At the time it less or lapse 1 degree centigrade, 1 degree Celsius temperature. The next one is 6.4 degree. 6.4 degree for every 1000 meters. For every 1000 meters. For every 1000 meters, at the time we have to lapse 6.4 degrees Celsius. So, and how much height is there? 1 kilometer height. 1000 meter means 1 kilometer height. When we have to rise 1 kilometer height, at the time the decrease of temperature is 6.4 degree. 6.4 degree Celsius. It is considered as normal lapse rate. Okay. The next one is there, that is inversion of temperature. Inversion of temperature means what? In some situation, temperature also increase with increasing height. This takes place in the mountain valleys during the longer winter nights with the clear sky, dry air, no wind, and snow-covered surface. So, inversion of temperature means variation. Variation of temperature. When we have to find out the variation of temperature, we have to find out the variation of temperature in the movement of clear sky. Clear sky. The second one is dry air. The next one is no wind, snow-covered surface. At that time, we have to understand the variation of temperature on the surface. So, dear students, I hope you understood this concept about the temperature. When the temperature is decreasing, when the temperature is variation. So, what are the major factors? These are all the information we have to understand from this period. In the next class, we have to understand the temperature zones.